Hello students, today we are going to see 10th standard maths chapter 6 exercise 6.1. Let us see the fourth question. First division. Secant power 6 theta is equal to tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta secant square theta plus 1. First let us take the LHS. What is in LHS? That is secant power 6 theta. This should be split into secant square theta the whole cube. And let us split this 1 plus tan square theta the whole cube. So now we have to take it as a plus b the whole cube formula. What is the a plus b the whole cube? That is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Let us take this is a and this is b. So a plus b the whole cube means a cube 1 cube plus tan square theta the whole cube plus 3 into a 1 b tan square theta into a plus b means 1 plus tan square theta. Next, let us change this. This is tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta. What is the value for 1 plus tan square theta? That is secant square theta plus 1. So that is equal to tan power 6 theta plus 3 into 1 3 tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta here plus 1. So that is equal to RHS, hence proved. Let us see the second sum, that is sin theta plus secant theta the whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta the whole square is equal to 1 plus secant theta plus cos theta the whole square. What is in LHS? Let us take the LHS. First a plus b the whole square method, you have to expand that one. That is equal to sin square theta plus secant square theta plus 2ab. So 2 sin theta secant theta plus cos theta for this one cos square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2ab 2 cos theta cosecant theta, and here sin square theta plus cos square theta we will get 1. So 1 plus secant square theta and here cosecant square theta we have to take it as cosecant square theta. So for this one plus 2 sin theta into 1 by cos theta. For secant theta we have to change it 1 by cos theta, and again plus 2 cos theta, and cosecant theta we have to change 1 by sin theta. So that is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus you have to take 2 is the common. So here sin theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Now let us see the next step, that is sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Next one we have to take it as 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into, take the LCM of sin theta, cos theta is the LCM, cross multiply, so sin square theta plus cos square theta. So that is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 by 2 into 1 by sin theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. So 1 by sin theta value, that is cosecant theta, and 1 by cos theta value secant theta. So 2 cosecant theta secant theta. So that is equal to 1 plus, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab method. So you have to change it, secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. So what is in right RHS? That is 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. Hence proved. The next question, fifth one, first division. Secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta is equal to 1. So what is in LHS? First you have to take that secant power 4 theta, because RHS is 1. So instead of sin square theta plus tan square theta, we have to change it, means we will get the answer for 1. So what is secant power 4 theta? Let us change this 1 by cos power 4 theta into 1 minus, let us change this sin square theta the whole square, and minus 2 tan square theta is changed into sin square theta by cos square theta. Next one, that is equal to 1 by cos power 4 theta. This is a square minus b square. So 1 plus sin square theta into 1 minus sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Let us change this into cos square theta. So that is equal to 1 by cos power 4 theta 1 plus sin square theta into cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos square theta. 1 cos square theta and here cancel, means here cos square theta. So 1 by cos square theta, here 1 plus sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos square theta. So both the denominators are same. So we have to take the LCM of cos square theta, and numerator 1 plus sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. So that is equal to 1 sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. We will get minus 1 sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta. So that is equal to 1 minus sin square theta formula, cos square theta divided by cos square theta. So cancel. So that is equal to 1. So that is equal to RHS. Let us see the second division, that is cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cosecant theta plus 1. Let us change this LHS. Cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta divided by, here cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta. So what is the LCM for here? That is, if you take the cos theta is common, here 1 by sin theta minus 1, and here also 1 plus sin theta, 1 by sin theta plus 1. So cos theta common. So 1 by sin theta minus 1 divided by cos theta is common, 1 by sin theta plus 1. So cos theta cancel. Here 1 by sin theta value cosecant theta. So cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cosecant theta plus 1. So that is equal to RHS, hence proved. Thank you students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next sums in the next class. Thank you.